Think your kitchen is spotless? Then think again. Here are 7 kitchen cleaning mistakes you may be making and could be compromising your home hygiene. So let's dive in. Now, in at number 1, we have the bread bin, which should be cleaned every week in order to prevent bacteria and mold buildup. Use a dry cloth to remove crumbs and then clean the inside and outside with a soapy cloth, followed by disinfecting it with your chosen disinfectant, or use equal parts white vinegar and water. Now, whether you're using a wooden or plastic cutting board, it's crucial to clean these thoroughly after every use. Now, for wooden chopping boards, give them a good scrub with hot soapy water, rinse and let them air dry upright, or dry them off with a paper towel. And once a week, you will need to disinfect them with white vinegar or hydrogen peroxide. Now, for a plastic chopping board, the process is nearly very much the same. The board will also require washing with dish soap, or you can place it in your dishwasher. Then once a week, deep clean with disinfectant using either equal parts white vinegar and water or your chosen disinfectant. For more information on these 2 cutting boards, check out my description page below. Next, in at number 3 is not washing your tea towels regularly. Now, if you use your tea towels for both drying dishes and your hands, then it's a good idea to try washing them daily, just to prevent the bacteria buildup. Now, have you ever thought about how many times you have touched that kitchen faucet with dirty hands in a day? Do you remember to clean it and disinfect it at the end of the day? You'll be surprised at the amount of bacteria and grime it harbours. So remember to give it a good clean and wipe down with disinfectant on a daily basis to keep the kitchen truly clean. In at number 5, do you neglect or forget to clean your small kitchen appliances, which can cause you to buy new ones much earlier than you need to? Take, for example, the coffee machine, which requires you to descale and check for clogged coffee grounds. By not following the manufacturer's maintenance instructions, you may be shortening the small kitchen appliances lifespan. Next, we've got not letting your cleaning product work as according to the instructions. For instance, when using disinfectant, do you clean the countertop first, which is the correct way, and then apply your chosen disinfectant? Then allow for the wait time as per the instructions. Next up, we have the kitchen sponge, which can be a magnet for bacteria and food particles. Give these a clean every few days or weekly, either with white vinegar, boiling water, the dishwasher, or the microwave. Now, if you're unsure on how to tackle some of these kitchen cleaning mistakes, you can check out my playlist coming up or check out the description page below.